happened last time. I said Kashmir. Obviously, I was mistaken. I meant Himalayan. Let's not get crazy, guys.
Okay.
I know the Kashmir borders with Pakistan. I just got the two confused. Anyways, listen. All 50 of you messaging me on Instagram about it. Listen, when it comes down to
What's that? Did you hear that?
Yeah, what was that? Dude?
I don't know. Hold up, I'm gonna go check it out. Ruby. That Ruby.
We heard a noise. Yeah, we heard a loud knock from the other room. And in the Stilt house, there shouldn't be anybody else here. So we're gonna see. Danny's going to check on that right now. But like they've pretty much invaded Nepal, which Nepal sits between China and India. So this is a great channel that I watch. I recommend you guys watch it too. It's called
China Uncensored.
China Uncensored.
I like it already.
Yes. Very good. They give you the most up-to-date news. Now, this is already from August 31st. So this is almost half a month ago.
Okay. Oh, that's not so old.
Not so old, but in ever-changing times.
In internet days, it's ancient, yeah.
I'm just making sure that was in there.
Yeah, yeah, dude, I have no idea what that sound was.
That's weird, dude.
It sounded like, I don't know, like a knock or something fell on
All
wood.
50 of you messaging me on Instagram about it. Listen, when it comes down to...
But, like, my cat, I thought it was the cat. She's sleeping on the couch.
It was a knock. You have an ice maker?
No. I have no explanation.
That was weird, man. That was a very loud knock.
Yeah, there's nobody outside or anything.
And it sounded like it came from
either the kitchen
or the front door. Yeah.
Damn.
Maybe something hit the front door, like a bug or something, or
that would have been a big freaking bug.
Well, we're in the Stilt house, so
yeah, that's true.
Down here we got big bugs. That was weird, man. That was very audible.
No, I heard it through the headphones.
Yeah. We heard it through the headphones. That's how loud it was.
That weird. Anyways. You see? They're still trying to check us down, man.
Yo, I just got serious goosebumps.
Me too, man.
You did? That's weird, man.
They're still trying to take us down, bro. We shouldn't have talked about that. Disney sent their meeting. Oh.
No, that was weird, man. Like, I have real goosebumps.
Yeah, man. I'm nervous.
Was it cold in there?
Oh, yeah. Kidding.
Oh, it wasn't, right?
No, I don't really, you know, maybe that's an interesting segue, because, like, there was a few weird things that have happened in this house before.
What kind of weird things, dude?
Oh, man, like, this one night I heard, like, whispering in my ear, and it was, like, very distinct weird stuff, and I was wide awake when I heard it. Then it, like, said, turn your light on. That was weird.
Well, how wide awake were you if you were laying in bed?
I'll give you the story. So, I was laying down in bed trying to go to sleep, and I was, like, half asleep, right? And I'm just about dozing off, and then I hear this, like, weird sound that kind of sounds like a whisper.
A whisper.
And it's, like, gibberish, just like...
Is it a male voice or a female voice?
I guess it would be male, but it was a whisper, so it was kind of hard to tell, but it was, like, speaking gibberish. And then I hear that, and I sit up, and I'm wide awake, and I'm looking around, and I don't hear it anymore. And I'm like, what the hell was that? And I'm like, all right, I was just half asleep.
Yeah.
So I go to lay back
having
down.
A half asleep dream.
Well, hold on. Now I'm wide awake because my adrenaline started kicking in. I lay down. As soon as my head touches the pillow, I start hearing it again.
Wow.
And it was like that, and then it goes, you better turn your light on. And, like, I swear to God, that's what I heard. So then I turned my light on, and I sat there, and I just, like, kind of listened. I didn't hear anything after that. That was weird. There was an instance where my dad heard my mom talking to somebody, because my parents used to live here.
Yeah, your parents lived here.
My mom was, like, asleep, and she would talk in her sleep sometimes. But, like, this night she was really talking. She woke up my dad, and he's like, wake up, you're sleeping. And then she, like, starts laughing, and then she goes, good night, and turns over, and then he hears like a whisper go, good night, like that. This is what he told me.
Yeah, okay.
And then
what year was this?
Oh, this was a long time ago. I was a teenager. Maybe early 20s.
So you were. That's not that long ago that this happened.
Well, no, it's not like when I was a little kid. Yeah. And then one night, this was during high school.
This is all here.
Yeah, this all happened in this house.
Great.
You know the fan out in the living room?
Great. Yep.
Yeah, this is the last story, I swear.
All right.
This used to be a window. This didn't. There's a shelving behind the camera here.
So right behind the camera, there's shelving. There's a lot of toys on it.
You ugly.
They're not toys. They're collectibles.
Oh my god. You ugly.
Anyways,
we got a call from Donnie from Minnesota on line 2. Let's take it. This is a comment on toys on your shelf. Okay, well, Donnie's not there. So you were saying this used to be a window?
Used to be a complete window with nothing in it.
Okay.
And so we had a couch right here, and the TV was there.
Okay.
And you remember Fear, the video game?
Yes, I remember the video game Fear.
So for those who don't know, it was like a creepy game where you shoot, and there was like this ghost girl. It was a first-person
shooter, but with horror elements.
Yeah.
There was a ghost girl who walked around and like set everything on fire.
Yeah, and like murdered things and like scary shit happened.
Scary stuff.
Anyways, like I was like, all right, I'm gonna man up and play this game in the middle of the night with no lights on, whatever, and have like a scare fest. So I started playing it, right?
Yeah, I like those. I did that with Dead Space.
Dead Space was a creepy one too.
Yeah.
So I'm sitting here alone, no lights on, and it's like midnight, right? And like I said, I was in high school, so my parents lived here. So I start playing, and then through this window, I see the fan, and the light starts turning on and turning off. Turning on, off. On, off, on, off,
simple
on.
Electrical.
Right. Well, I mean, that's a dimmer fan too, right? And it works on a remote. So I thought like somebody woke up and they were going. So I'm sitting there listening. I don't hear any footsteps. I'm like, all right, they're gonna open the fridge any second, and it's just silent, dead silent.
Wow. Okay.
So then I get up and I'm like looking. I look down the hallway. Nobody's there. I check the room. My parents are fast asleep, and I'm like, oh shit. I stopped playing the game and I was like, all right, it's time for bed.
Yeah. You might have just hallucinated that though.
No. I was watching the light turn on and off, and then it stayed
like
on.
A dimmer?
No, like somebody was hitting it, turning it on, hitting it, turning it off.
Oh, okay.
Because it's on a remote, and sometimes it was funny. But anyway, so yeah, everybody was fast asleep, so I just went like, I was like, yeah, not tonight. Yeah, something ain't right.
That's crazy, dude. Yeah, ghost stories are pretty crazy. A lot of people